I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to part 2 of our relocation to Canada series. I hope you guys enjoyed the part 1 of this series. If you have not watched it, I will link it in the description box down below. Please go and check that video out. So yeah, let's get into the part 2. In this part 2, we have already traveled from Lomé to Nairobi, and the whole of this part 2 will be in Nairobi. Continue enjoying watching this series. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much guys for the support. I can't thank you enough. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to Toy Market. It's not very far from my sister's house, so we'll just be walking there. We'll be buying few things. I think we mostly will be buying clothes. And if we find shoes also we will buy, but I'm trying as much as possible not to buy a lot of stuff because I'm only allowed 3 suitcases, so I don't want to overbuy because I don't have space. It's better like I have less kilos than I have more kilos and I have to pay for them. I don't want that, because we can also buy clothes when we get to Canada, but I just want to buy a few clothes, especially for my baby. I have a cousin who is in Canada and she advised me that I buy my baby's clothes over here because the quality here in Kenya is much better, because the clothes in Kenya mostly come from the UK. So I'll be going to buy her clothes. Mostly I'll be buying my baby's clothes. And I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Let's go.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
I'm now at the supermarket. I'm trying to buy spices. So far this is what I have picked out, and I think I still need to pick some more and then I'll be done. This is a continuation vlog of my travel prep to Canada, and today we are going to make this hair. That's why I've tied it like this, because down here is a mess. It's a mess. So I'm going to make my hair and then I will buy a few things. Actually, this is my first time to go to the CBD, like the Nairobi CBD, since I came. Like, I don't like going to the CBD because it is usually so crowded and I usually avoid that. But today I don't have a choice. I have to go there, go make my hair, buy a few things. Continue enjoying watching this vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. And it's raining. Nairobi is raining, like it's flooding. Like, you guys can go check floods in Kenya and stuff like that. It's really raining. Like, even from here, like, you can hear the sound of some water. There is a stream over here. Where? Here. Over here, there is a stream over there. I think you can hear it from where I am standing. So yeah, I'm excited guys. I'm excited. We are going to Canada. Finally.
All I want salon mostly specializes with temporary dreadlocks and permanent dreadlocks, and for today this is how my hair looks, and I am going to install temporary dreadlocks.
So I'm making false locks, no, temporary locks, and the whole hair has this kind of twist. Yeah, and now we are going to start fixing it.
And this is the final outcome of the hair, and isn't it amazing? I love this look.
I'm continuing to pack. Today is Friday and we are traveling to Canada on Sunday. I'm so excited, but at the same time, it's now dawning on me like we will be traveling like permanently to Canada. And yeah, it's exciting. I can't complain. I'm excited for the new journey ahead. So the stress that I have today is packing. So when we were coming from Lomé, I came with 3 suitcases and my sister helped me carry one. So I had 4. And right now I need 3 because they're only allowing me 3 suitcases. So I have 2 extra bags. So you can imagine I have like 5 suitcases and I only need 3 because I bought an extra one. So let me show you the kind of situation I am in right now. So when I was coming from Lomé, I've told you guys, my sister helped me carry this, and I've already emptied everything that was here. I've packed it here, and the remaining, like what I don't need, I have left it behind. This is the suitcase I traveled with up country. It still has things I still need to sort that out. This is already packed. I packed this before I traveled up country. I came with this from Lomé. It has a few things inside, so I also need to sort this out. And this is my carry-on bag. So that's why I'm saying I have like 5 bags, because there's this, there's this one over here, there's this, and there's this. But I'm already done with this, so yeah. So I'm only left with that one and this one, but I'll only be traveling with this, and that. This suitcase and this suitcase, they're a bit small, so sometimes I tend to, when I'm traveling, they usually weigh around 17-18 kilos, and they're usually so full. That's why I got this extra one, because when I pack here, I'm sure like it will be 23 or 23 plus, but it's like I want to maximize on the 23 kilos. That's why I bought this big bag. So yeah, so next I'm going to sort this one out, and then this one, and then I'll be done. So So that's the situation I am in right now. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing content. And I hope you're enjoying this video so far. These are some of the spices that I got. Turmeric, black pepper, blah blah blah, pilau masala, and some herbs. Yeah, this is looks like I'm going to start a a spices business in Canada. Yeah, but yeah, these are some of the spices I got to spice up our kitchen over there and have also the taste of home. Oh yeah, and I also got this chapa mandashi for baking.
The next day.
I'm on my way to my sister's house. Her name is May. She had come to Lomé, so please go check the video out where we are spending time together with her in Lomé. Today is our travel day, and it is also her daughter's birthday, so we are going to celebrate the birthday first before we head to the airport.
Much later.
Today is Nisha's birthday, and we also thank God today is the day Jenny and Jodo get to travel. So we just wanted to wish you well. We thank God for the opportunity that has come for you to go. We missed you when you went to Togo. We will also miss you when we go to Canada. But I think one thing that should be a constant reminder wherever you are is that your family loves you and they are here for you. So even as you go there and you make new friends and you start building your new life there, always remember home will be best. And we want to say we thank God for you, we thank God for Dodo, we thank God for Rich. And I remember when you told us you got the visa to go to Canada, we said next year we are coming. So we'll keep praying that next year we are coming to see you.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is just bon voyage.
Yeah, bon voyage. Kata.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind.
Part 3 and the last part of this series will be coming soon, so make sure you hit the notification bell so that when I upload that video you will be notified, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one guys, bye.